It's KZ Squid. We're back with another video. I got pasta dinner on my back right now because I just stopped at the store, and now I am going to stop at the beer store so I can get a brewski. And then after that, we're just gonna cruise around for a second, enjoy the day because it's really nice out. It's like high of 70 today. It's a nice little breeze. Updates, I went to a few Ridaouts since I made my last video, and I've really been having fun with them. A great group of people that I've met so far, and I hope there's more because they're a blast. Now I'm actually getting invited to the smaller ones and stuff like that, so that's pretty cool. I did just recently put on my ZNZ Customs rear sets. I parked right in front of the wire, but you can see them. They're nice. I really like them. I thought I was going to be like annoyed with the vibration because there's no rubber on them, but I really don't notice too much. And I keep forgetting to, but I want to try like shift locking on this lever or peg and see how that feels, because I'm getting real comfortable with shift locking. And I feel like since the last 2 times I rode, I really unlocked another chapter to stunt riding, because now I'm floating back a lot farther and I'm staying there for longer. It's not just like dip back behind balance point and then brake right away. Like, I'll start to be able to actually ride it a little and carry it out, and it's making my wheelies longer and smoother, so that's freaking awesome. Other than that, just been chilling. I'll have some good clips after this video for you guys from the ride out. A lot of it is dark night footage, but I got some good clips in during the day, and the rest you'll just have to deal with. If you want to fast forward them, go ahead. Okay, back to the vlog. Let's see if we're actually recording. It'd be hilarious if I wasn't recording that entire time. I'm out here talking to myself at the beer store. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna try to give you guys more frequent updates. Really kind of just been like annoyed with the whole process, because it's like the videos that I actually try and put together and make them half decent get the least views. So, and I understand, I'm not out here looking for views, for 1 million views and to become internet famous or something like that. I'm literally just sharing my experience on YouTube with people who I think may like the same thing, and it's also documentation for myself, so I can see how far I've come during this whole stunt riding process. Heavy on the gas there, Chief. But yeah, next mod that we're doing to the Grom, I'm looking to get a seat cover from Thrill Seekers, and I think it's going to be really nice. I sat on a Z that somebody had a Thrill Seeker seat cover on, and it was really comfy. And it's like, it's made out of a different material, so it like grips. Like, you can't slide your jeans across it really. It's kind of crazy. Oh, look at this guy's big ass fucking Johnny. It's a big D-ring, dude. Whatever you call that, I don't even know. Some sort of clasp. This guy knows what it's called. I know that. My girl just got home too. That's pretty convenient. Wheelie with the pasta dinner on the back. Yes, sir. Rocco getting it. I don't know how you do that shit downhill, bro.
All breakaway.
Yeah. I gotta learn how to drop back. I'm just dabbling right now.
We gotta find a new lap on what we do on the bike.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. Alright. Natural come up. Oh, he got all the zip ties. Look at his shit, just in case. Oh, with the onesie. Let's go. We outside!